Okay, this is lesson 1.5, and we're going to learn about getting paid called salary. You will probably have heard this when people get paid salary. So you will need your 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 notes. You will need a calculator, and you will need a writing utensil. Please pause the video if you do not have one of those items. Okay, so the objective is to determine your salary per pay period. So on your notes, you will say 1.5 salary notes, vocabulary salary. So salary is the fixed amount of money that you earn on a regular basis. So as you've told, salary is something where you get paid the same amount of money every 2 weeks, every month, every week, just depending on how you get paid, and it never changes. It's always the same amount. So for the vocab word, please please write that first sentence right here. You may be paid on a weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly basis. An annual salary is the total salary you earned during a year. Please pause the video if you need to take time to write the vocab word. So the lesson formula today, you need to turn to the next page in your notes, is we find the salary per pay period because you take their annual salary, how much they make in a year, and divide by the number of pay periods. So this is what it says in your notes: annual salary divided by the number of pay periods per year, or the annual salary divided by the number of pay periods per year. Okay, so I wrote that two different ways because this fraction bar here means division. So I wanted you to make that clear. Many people are paid salary. A salary is a fixed amount of money that you earn on a regular basis. Your salary might be paid weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. So on the next part of your notes, you need to fill in these numbers. Your annual salary is your total salary which you earn during the year. There are 52 weekly, 26 bi-weekly, 24 semi-monthly, and 12 monthly pay periods per year. So you want to make sure that you have these four numbers written down because you'll be using those four numbers to do all of the work and practice work for 1.5. Pause the video if you need to write them down. Okay, so here is an example. Tom Costello is a website designer. His annual salary is $67,400. What is Tom's monthly salary? What is his weekly salary? So you can see for number 1, they put the formula. Substitute into the formula to find the salary per month. So they put his annual salary here, and by month he would make $5,616.67. They're the same thing per week. So remember, month is 12, week is 52. So you do 67,400 divided by 52, and they got this big number. Okay, and this will happen to you now. We're working with money. So remember, you just take the two numbers, look at the one next to it. The one next door is 3. So then this is the answer. Okay, so beginning in this chapter, I want to see all of your answers to look like money with only 2 digits to the right of the decimal. Okay, here are practice problems for you. They are on your notes. Please pause the video, do all 4 practice problems, then restart the video and see if you did them correctly. Okay, so here's how you would do them so you can correct to see if you did them right. You would take, Sam earns $42,900 a year. Find his bi-weekly. Bi-weekly is 26. So I'm going to divide by 26. And I should have gotten 1,650. Brenda Ortez earns $18,200 per year. Find her semi-monthly salary. So I take 1,800, 1,800, or sorry, 1,800, 18,200, sorry, divided by 24, and you get $758.33. Make sure you're writing it the way I'm writing it, like money. Hodan Abdi earns $86,000 a year. Find their monthly salary. So I take 86,000, divide by 12, and I get $7,166.67. Zuri Andrew earns $52,986 a year. Find, oops, there's a typo. Find their monthly salary. So you take 52,986, divide by 52, and you get $1,018.96. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, you can go on to the practice.